Uncertainty ahead of Indonesia's July 9 presidential election has increased volatility in the rupiah.
The election, coupled with a shortage in foreign exchange liquidity, has pushed the rupiah to 11,822 against the US dollar at closing.
Economists have attributed the weakening rupiah over the past month to the tight race between Indonesia's two presidential candidate pairs, Joko Widodo and Yusuf Kala, and Prabowo Subianto and Hatta Rajasa. Although earlier in the year Joko had a clear lead, Prabowo has been steadily narrowing the margin, giving rise to uncertainty as to who will take the election. Finance Minister Hatib Basri noted, though, that the rupiah's decline began before each candidate officially announced his candidacy. The country's currency has also suffered from the fact that Indonesia posted a nearly $2 billion trade deficit in April. Indonesia initially expected a $220 million surplus after February and March posted surpluses, but weakened commodity prices and an increase in imports took a toll on the economy.
Tetapi kemarin memang agak ditambah, diperlemah dengan angka dari defisit neraca perdagangan. Tapi mestinya sih, ya saya selalu bilang kalau rupiah itu biarin aja bergerak, ngikutin fundamentalnya. Oh masih di dalam range, kita lihat aja asumsi APBN-nya berapa, ya. Tetapi saya lihat bahwa trennya ini temporer. Kenapa? Karena saya percaya ekspor bulan depan akan lebih baik.
Bank Indonesia Governor Agus Martowardoyo said the political factors were quite influential in determining the exchange rates of the rupiah. He added, however, that the biggest impact could be traced to Indonesia's total balance of payment. He added that soaring fuel import prices have caused increased fiscal pressure since a large chunk of the country's budget has been allocated to cover fuel subsidies.
Paling besar berperan tentu adalah neraca pembayaran. Dalam hal ini adalah adanya defisit transaksi berjalan yang ditandai dengan barang maupun jasa. Dan itu pun yang dibicarakan pada hari ini kan, bahwa kalau ada import BBM yang besar tentu akan membuat tekanan kepada transaksi berjalan. Tetapi di sisi yang lain juga akan memberi tekanan kepada fiskal, karena porsi fiskal akan banyak tersedot untuk membayar subsidi BBM.
Though the rupiah has remained within the government's set range, the current shallowness of Indonesia's foreign exchange market makes the rupiah vulnerable to fundamental risks and jolts in the global economy. And as Joko and Prabowo continue to battle it out for the nation's top post, it can only be expected that the rupiah will have a rocky road ahead of it.
Financial analysts have said that it is possible that the rupiah could pass 12,000 rupiah to the dollar.
A statement from Bank Indonesia has said it has no plan to intervene to help the currency. Pressure from inflation and the deficits suffered by the current account has already pushed the rupiah down to 11,822 against the greenback at closing on Tuesday, or 200 points weaker than closing on May 30. The exchange figure was the lowest since February. A number of observers have said there were no positive issues that could buoy the rupiah. The situation was getting even worse with the likelihood that the current account and trade account deficits would grow larger in the near future.